this is 6 channel 6 display air gauge unit. You can check all bearing diameter individual and as a fixture also. And this is auto drain FRC with air low sensor fixed on it. So let us start how to do the setting of this electronic unit. Just press the set button, long press and switch on the unit, and after 1 second you take the hand and you enter the password what you have to give. At present I have selected -0.00.001. Press the enter key. Now there are functions, how many programs are there. So totally in our gauge there are 8 programs. Now I am setting program number 2, function number 2. Then I have to press the enter key. So using up and arrow down key I can change the program and press enter. Now this is unit, inch or mm. So we are going to check in mm. So I am giving mm option and pressing enter. Least count, there are totally 1 micron and 0.1 least count, 0.2, 0.5 is there. Now I am going to check with least count 0.001, 1 micron. Press enter key. Dynamic on off option is there. To check the ovality I have to press either on or off. Now I am pressing the on button, and ID or OD for channel 1 I have to select. If it is ID, using up arrow key I have to select ID, or if it is OD, if again I press the button it will show OD. Same, now I am going to set for all the channels OD. Now calibration setting, this we should not change, always it should be off. And this is the password for the program number 2, function number 2, what you are going to set. You can change as if you want. Now I am pressing -00.001 and pressing enter key. Now this delay option is coming. This is for sending the data output through RS-232. You can select what is the delay time. I have set it right now 5 millisecond and I am pressing the enter key. Now the program is set. To store the data you have to switch off the unit and switch on the unit after 2 to 3 seconds. So once you switch off and switch on, the display blows like this. Now let us start to enter the values of mean, USL, LSL, higher master value, lower master value, ovality value of the fixture or the gauge what you have to measure. Now by pressing set key you will ask the enter password option. So using up arrow key or down arrow key, the password what you set for the particular function number, program number, you have to enter it and press enter. If you enter that, it will ask for ABS value, USL value, LSL value, high low masters value and ovality value for the all the channels. Now we are going to enter the mean value. ABS means it is a mean value for channel 1, and if it is ABS2 means mean value for channel 2. Now you have to enter the ABS value for channel 1. Now I am going to enter the ABS value for channel 1, mean value. Now using right arrow key, it is a shift option to shift the digit. Now the particular digit blinks, we have to enter using up arrow key. Again 17.002, this is my ABS value. After entering this I have to press the enter key. Now upper tolerance, using my shift key I am selecting the digit and my value is 17.008. and LSL value 16.997 it is. And higher master value it is. In higher master value no minus should come, only 0 value should come. In lower value minus should come, lower master value minus should come for all the channels. Using shift key I am just changing the digit, and using up arrow key I am changing the values. Now it has come for ABS 2, so I will enter the ABS 2, ABS 3, ABS 4, all the values and save it. Now I am entering the ABS 2 value, same as ABS 1 how we have entered. Using the up arrow key and down arrow key we are entering all the values. So whenever you enter each values you have to press enter key to store it. Now I have entered all the 6 channels, and this is calibration timer. So if you switch off and switch on the unit, you have to do the mastering. When you do the mastering only, operator can measure the parameter, and this is the delay time we have given. So at present we have given 15 minutes. So for that we have given 100. So again, after storing all the value, the same menu will come. You have to switch off the unit and switch on the unit within 1 to 2 seconds. Now after switching off and switching on the unit, we have to do the mastering for the fixture. We are just taking the higher master and putting on the gauge. Now we are going to do the overall mastering. Here it will show NSD high master for all the channel. Press the enter key. After entering the higher master value, unload the higher master, load the lower master. When you put the part or master only, the air will come using air saving proximity sensor. NSD low is showing for all the channel. We have loaded the lower master. Just we have to press the enter button. Now the lower master values are showing. As per that, the bulb box are also blinking. If overall it is accept, here green will come. Any one parameter is reject, the red will come. Now after doing mastering for both high and low master, we are unloading the part and keeping in the parking stand. Now we are going to check the camshaft inspection for part. So when we load the part, the air will start and we will start the cycle by rotating the part. So the readouts are showing on the display and the readings are showing on the display. Now we will unload the part and load the part. So we have unloaded the part. Now we are loading the part again. And we are now rotating the part. So this is how the 6-channel unit settings to be completed and check the fixture. When the electronic unit air input for the filter is below 4 bar, you will get an indication notification on the display, low air. You have to ensure the pressure should be above 4 bar, between 4 to 5 bar.